Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Popular hill stations of the state are Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, and Almora. It is also famous for its pilgrimage centers like Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath, and Hemkund Sahib. Farming is the main occupation of the people here. Then Sikkim. Sikkim. Sikkim, located in the eastern hilly region of Himalayas, is the second smallest state of India. It is also the least populated state too. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. India's highest peak, Kanchenjunga, lies on the border of Sikkim. So Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world and Kanchenjunga is the highest peak in India. The people of Sikkim belong to three main tribes, Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. Women wear long skirts called boku. Now their culture. The people of Sikkim are mostly Buddhists. They celebrate the Buddhist festival of Saga Dawa. During this festival, monks wear rich clothes and take out a long procession. Sikkim is famous for its orchid plantation. Darjeeling is a famous hill station that lies to the south of Sikkim. The high quality tea produced in the tea gardens here is famous in the world. Then Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh lies in the northeast of India. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Though it is the largest state in northeastern, it has a small population. The state is covered with thick forests, streams, and waterfalls. Farming is the main occupation of the people here. Jhum cultivation is practiced here. You know what is jhum cultivation? Jhum cultivation, it is a process of growing crops by first clearing the land of trees and vegetation and burning them thereafter. Next is Nagaland. Nagaland is largely a mountainous state covered with thick forests. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. The state is home to a rich variety of flora and fauna. It has been suggested as the falcon capital of the world. About 1 million falcons are found in Nagaland. Farming and fishing are the main occupations. Here also people practice jhum farming. Weaving is a traditional art handed down through generations in Nagaland. Other handicrafts include shoulder bags, decorative spears, table mats, wood carvings and bamboo works. War dance is a distinctive Naga dance. War dance is a famous dance here. Nagaland is also known as the land of festivals. There is large diversity of tribes, each with their own culture and heritage. They celebrate all the Christians festivals. Then next is Manipur. The capital of Manipur. Next is Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. Farming and weaving are the main occupations here. Fruits like oranges and pineapples are also grown here. The Manipur dance of Manipur is a famous dance of India. The next is Tripura. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Cane and bamboo handicrafts and furniture of Tripura are very, very famous. Garia dance is the folk dance of Tripura. Then next is Meghalaya. Meghalaya, Meg. The meaning of the word Meghalaya is abode of clouds, Meg. Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, is a beautiful hill station. It is also known as the Scotland of the East. Over 30% of the land is covered with forests. Farming is the main occupation here. The main tribes living here are Garo, Khasi and Jantia. Then next, Mizoram. Next is Mizoram. The word Mizoram means the land of the hill people. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Farming is the main occupation of the people here. Bamboo dance is the folk dance of the people of Mizoram. So these were the states in the northern mountains. So dear students, read this chapter well, twice or thrice, only then you can understand it. Then afterwards I will give you questions. Thank you. May God bless you.